The Internet of Things is experiencing explosive growth, but what's being developed right now is a massive problem, creating a vast web of weak or totally unsecure connections. Ioetec's vision is to create a better, safer and secure Internet of Things. So we've tackled the most difficult problem facing the industry today: how to secure data from the edge node through to the end user. Security methods such as TLS are well established for large central servers such as those used by banks. However, due to the complexity of the mechanisms used to protect this data, they're not always suitable for the small resource-constrained devices often used in IoT. This has caused many manufacturers to ignore the problem and to fail to implement adequate security and therefore suffer from security flaws such as weak authentication and encryption, default username and passwords, and poor update and patch procedures. Ioetec Limited have developed an innovative solution to counter this issue: a true end-to-end secure communications platform. As well as providing the communications and cloud infrastructure, the Ioetec solution uses encryption and authentication technology to ensure that data is secured from the sensor to the end user. This removes the risk of existing vulnerabilities and provides security exclusively for the user, including privacy from third parties and protecting data against malicious attackers, governing bodies and manufacturers. Let me show you a quick demonstration of our product in action. Now, this is a sensor demonstrator. It measures temperature, light, humidity and altitude. Firstly, the sensor, edge node and user needs to be registered online. This is a simple process in Ioetec's portal. So here is the sensor. It's already registered and has zero-touch self-provisioned. You can tell it's operational and transmitting data by the green light at the top of the casing. It's just alongside a desk lamp here for the purpose of the demonstration. And if we switch over to the Ioetec online portal, you can see that this is where we register our manufacturers, users and the sensor information. And it's worth noting that following the publication by the DCMS report Secure by Design, Ioetec service provides a full solution to all 13 steps recommended. So if we go to the specific file for this sensor, you can see that it is owned by Alice and it's been provided by the widget company. The two lines beneath those details are for the widget company, the encrypted data, and only Alice, who's the authenticated user, can see the actual data. You can see the light readings around about 18 and it will update every 10 or so seconds, but the widget company, whilst they know that the sensor is provisioned, they don't know what the specific data is as it's all encrypted. Now if I take away the light source, we'll see very quickly that the light reading will drop significantly. But the widget company won't see any change in their encrypted data whatsoever. And then if I will put the information back on, see it's dropped down to 6. It will go back up to the previous levels as the light's back on again. And only Alice can see that information, nobody else. And it really is as simple as that. The installation of this solution has zero impact on the device's operation or performance. And it's easy to implement, system agnostic and scalable. So for further information, you can contact Ioetec on ioetec.com.